huwag na tayo magpa dalos, how do you call that? Huwag na tayo magpa ligoy pa. Ang gwapo mo. Okay, I mean...
Tsunami po yan.
Hindi. Kaya nga, I mean, we're talking about tsunami. Wala bang, in the 24 years, wala bang mga... Because there are people who are attracted to married men.
Marami.
Di ba? Alam mo yun?
Marami. Nowadays, marami.
Oo. Pero may...
No, I'm saying by statistic.
Di ba? Statistics talaga yun.
Nagulat naman ako doon.
May mga sumubok ba? Umaligid-aligid sa'yo?
Subukan nyo.
No, sometimes kasi may podcast sila ng barkada nila. And you need a point of view of a guy. Hindi lang point of view ng babae, bakit naghihiwalay. Most of the time, pag naghihiwalay ang pamilya, it's always a point of view ng babae. Never point of view ng lalaki. Sabi ko, i-check nyo muna kung naalagaan nyo rin yung husband nyo. Bakit tumawid?
Wait, you're justifying.
Wait.
No.
Wait lang!
Okay.
No,
Wait
I
lang.
beg to disagree. You are justifying.
Right. Hayaan muna natin tapos ni Zorin and then we will
thank
answer.
you.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Okay, go.
Yeah, so, yun. So, yung
So,
mga...
tanungin nyo rin ang sarili nyo kung inaalaga nyo ang husband
Correct.
nyo. Okay.
Otherwise, ang tukso nandyan eh. Lalo na with the social media, may mga private message yan eh.
Oh,
Diba?
nakakatanggap ka ng
So, I'm
private
saying,
message.
Yes, nakakatanggap.
Wait,
ka.
oh my gosh!
Okay.
Inamin mo yun. Inamin mo yun sa akin na nakakatanggap ka ng mga
Okay,
private
and then?
messages.
My point is, kunyari, hindi mo inaalagaan
Okay.
yung husband mo. Eh, nandiyan nga yung tukso. May PM.
Okay.
Matutok
PM?
a private message.
message.
So, doon na siya simula nung tukso. Kung naging kasi may mga moments magiging marupok ang lalaki.
Naging marupo ka na ba?
Naging marupok ako?
In the past tense.
Wait lang, kita mo yan, kapag inuulit-ulit ang tanong,
Wag, hindi ganyan ha.
Ibig sabihin,
Minsan
parang
hindi
sinasabi
no
nila,
way.
guilty.
Minsan hindi. You need to digest the question.
Correct.
Ano ibig sabihin nito?
So, okay, puntahan natin. Ikaw ba'y
Naging
marupok in the last 24 years?
Muntik na.
Muntik na. What stopped you?
Spiritual.
Oh,
That's why it's very important.
Ang inaalagaan ka ba, was there a point na nag-complain ka sa pag-aalaga sa'yo ni Mina?
Never naman.
Okay, you're
But!
Okay.
But! Naka-mic pala ako.
Okay, but.
But there was a time kasi, kaya nga ito yung mga, when you watch these Korean novellas, for like 6 hours, 8 hours, the next day another 8 hours, napapabayaan mo yung husband mo because you're ano tawag yung bungee? What? Binge watching.
Okay.
Hindi mo alam, yung asawa mo, waiting for you to have dinner with you.
Are you talking about me now, watching K-pop?
Well, there was a point na she was addicted to that.
Okay.
Wala na ngayon kausap.
At nagko-complain ka?
No, I never did.
You never complained, but you
feel
felt...
like wala akong kausap. Because she was stuck on TV.
Okay, Mina, klaro yung aming kwentuhan ni Zorin na nagbi-binge ka sa mga Korean telenovelas. Guilty.
Thank you.
Okay, napapabayaan. At ang sinasabi niya ay pag women should also ask themselves, napapabayaan ko ba ang aking asawa? Kasi ang daming temptasyon. What is your side of the story?